Let's consider the diagram that we have on the board. In the diagram, angle PMQ equals to 34 degrees and angle NQM equals to 28 degrees. Use the information to answer questions 37 and 38. Question 37 is this. Find angle QTN. Okay, find angle QTN. This is the angle we are asked to find this angle QTN. QTN. Now, please pay attention. This topic is coming from, this question is coming from a topic known as circle geometry. Do you understand? And in circle geometry, there are theorems that guides. There are theorems. I get what I'm trying to say. One of the theorems is that angle in the same segment of the circle are equal. Are you getting it? So, according to that law, angle PNT is the same thing as angle PMT. Pay attention. I've started the solution now. I want to look for this angle. Okay? Now, angle PNT equals to angle PMT equals to 34 degrees. Why? Angle in the same segment of the circle are equal. So, this angle is also what? 34 degrees. Do you understand? Because angle PMT is what? 34 degrees. That means that angle PMT is also what? 34 degrees. This angle that you see here is also 34 degrees. Now, having gotten that, we can easily get the value of angle QTN from triangle, please pay attention, from triangle QNT. From triangle QNT. Angle Q plus angle N plus T equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. Let me draw out the triangle for you so as to help you to understand the concept. Okay, this is the triangle that I'm talking about. This triangle. This is the triangle that I'm talking about. 28 degrees, 34 degrees, and this is the angle that I'm looking for. This angle. So this is Q, this is N, and this is T. This triangle. This is the triangle that I'm talking about. Okay. So to get the value of this angle, let me just represent this as angle T. To get the angle, angle Q is what? 28. So I'm going to have 28 degrees plus angle N, which is 34 degrees, plus angle T. Let me just put it. Angle T equals to what? 180 degrees. Okay. 28 degrees plus 34 degrees. That is what? 62 degrees. So I'm going to have 62 degrees plus angle T equals to what? 180 degrees. Okay. Angle T is equals to 180 degrees minus 62 degrees. So what is the value? You can point your calculator. 180 minus 62. You are going to have 118. Okay. So T equals to 118 degrees. So the value of this angle is 118. This angle that you say is 118. Okay. So we have gotten the first question. The second question is we are asked to find angle MPN. Find angle MPN. Find angle MPN. The correct option to that question is option D because that is 118 degrees. Now we are looking for another angle known as angle MPN. Angle MPN. This is the angle that you're looking for now. Angle MPN. This angle that you see here is what you're looking for. To get the value of angle MPN, let us bring out triangle QPM from triangle QPM. Let me draw out the triangle. This is the triangle that I'm talking about. Triangle QPM. This triangle that you see here. This is the triangle that I'm talking about. QPM. This angle is 28 degrees. And this angle, we don't know it. This angle is 34 degrees. QPM. Okay? Now, please pay attention. If I know this angle, I can easily get this angle. Do you understand? Because I just have to subtract 180 from this angle to get this angle. Do you understand? Okay? To get this angle as well, what do we do? Let us represent as x. X plus 28 degrees plus 34 degrees equals to what? Equals to 180 degrees. That is the sum of angles in a triangle. Okay? X equals to 180 degrees minus 28 degree plus 34 degree. Is that not it? So x equals to 180 degree minus 62 degree. X is also the same thing as 118 degree. Okay, so this angle also is what? 118 degree. This angle that you see here is 118 degree. Now, please pay attention. To get the smallest angle here, I just have to subtract 118 degree from 180, and that will give me 62. So this angle is 62 degree. Okay. If you didn't understand, let me explain again. You see, in circle geometry, there are theorems that guide it, and one of the theorems is that the angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because they are an angle in the same segment. Now, to get the first angle that I'm looking for, angle QTN, I consider triangle QNT. Then I use the properties of triangle that says the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Then I got the value of angle as that angle is what? 118 degree. Now, having gotten the value of that angle as 118 degree, to get the value of angle MPN, angle MPN is the smallest angle, but I cannot get this smallest angle without knowing this bigger the angle here. This angle that you see here, I cannot get this angle without knowing the value. So I first get the angle that is here using the sum of angles in a triangle by considering triangle QPM. Then I got the value of x as 118 degree. Now, to get this smallest angle, I just use the sum of angles on a straight line. You understand? Because QPN is a straight line. QPN, see, QPN is a straight line, and we have a line drawn like this. This is the angle that I'm looking for, and this angle is what? 118 degree. So to get this smallest angle here, I just have to subtract 180 degree minus 118 degree. That is what? 62 degree. Do you understand? So the smallest angle that is here is 62 degree, and you can do it in another way by using the exterior angle of a triangle. If you use the exterior properties of a triangle, this angle is exterior to triangle QPM, and exterior angles of a triangle is equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So that means that this angle that is here that I'm looking for, the angle that is here is equals to the sum of this angle, 28 degree and 34 degree. That will also give us 62 degree. If you want to learn more on plane geometry, circle geometry, if you want to learn more on plane and circle geometry, you can check the playlist on this channel. Okay, so the solution to that question is 62 degree. The correct option is option A is correct. Do you understand? So that is one of the beauty of mathematics. You can solve it using any method. Okay, so since this is an objective question, I didn't expect you to spend a lot of time on it. Just use the method that is well suitable and then get your answer and proceed to the next question. Okay, now let us proceed. For what value of x is 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 1 undefined? Okay, for what value of x is 3x plus 2 all over 2x plus 1 undefined? Okay, I'm very sure, have you heard of undefined?
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.